Hi guys, and welcome to another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing or a double unboxing on two speakers. Yay! And these are the Sony SRS XB-43. I'm pretty late when it comes to this speaker. It's not the newest one, but I don't mind it when I found it at such a good price. I found it for about 130 euros each, brand new. But the boxes are a little bit damaged, as you can see, which is not that pleasant. But I've checked the speakers already, or one at least, so it was totally fine. So hopefully both will be fine. And yeah, let's begin the looking around on the box art, I guess. It says 24 hours playtime. I think that's, yeah, I don't believe that for 5 seconds. Like, many I guess they will have decent battery life, but 24 hours, really? It depends how you use them, with lights, with extra bass, or whatever. Let's see here on the top. We have some gold sound symbol. Festival. Cool. IP67, dust and waterproof, just as the JBL Extreme 3. Beach. It can't float. That's live sound, some feature, I guess. Left and right stereo, awesome. Party Connect, many different of these speakers. The LG, what is it, 500 something, and the bigger ones, like the party box sized ones, and the Sony, you can connect a variety of different speakers. There are probably lists on them. And X balanced, have no clue what that is, but maybe they just want to have more logos, means better speaker. Yeah, that's probably it. Let's look here on the side. Nothing here. Just some text about the speaker, I guess. Oh yeah, there's an app. I forgot that. Yeah, Sony Music Center is something you should download, I feel like, because they have an equalizer, and it makes the speaker a little bit louder and a little bit more bass. I haven't tested the speakers, but it's supposed to, and you can modify the lighting effects and whatnot, and the Party Connect features, hopefully. You see here, IP67, live sound, blah blah blah. Saltwater resistant? Really? Saltwater? Holy shit, that's huge. JBL is not speakers arm. Just want to clarify, nothing is saltwater resistant. Everything can get corroded sooner or later, but I guess if this can be submerged in salt water for a little bit of time, then that's amazing. Salt water is, yeah, it's just so bad for electronics in general, because there are a lot of different charges in the salt water that makes the speaker go boom. And the USB-C, also just as the JBL Extreme 3. Speaker, stereo player, 24, blah blah blah. NFC and Bluetooth. I like NFC, it's a good touch. I don't use it, but I like to have it. Okay, let's see here. I guess I'm just gonna put this down from the other one. Put the other one aside a little bit for now. And just focus on this. And I'm gonna put away the Extreme 3 and I'm gonna compare it. So you can see it size-wise. It won't be a comparison, but I will make that in a later video. But it will at least show off the different sizes. Okay. Easy, no tape, nothing. I guess you don't need that, as long as it's sealed properly. You're gonna smell it. Chemical. Yeah, a little bit as JBL, I guess. Damn, this is a fucking piece. It's a brick of a speaker. Holy shit, it's heavy. It's much heavier than the JBL Extreme 3. I mean, I guess it's easier to pick up than the JBL Extreme 3. But it's nothing more. I don't think so. Interesting box. Not that I guess there are a lot of plastic. Can learn something from JBL and their cardboard. But who knows? It might protect the speaker better. I don't know. I don't guess I care a little bit though about how protected it is, but more environmentally friendly is always the better thing, I guess. Trying to use as much recycled plastic as possible. Gonna turn it on the side. There we go. As far as XB-43. Holy shit, this is a... Oh, there we have the NFC tag, if you can see it there. So let's see the controls. Do I have any lights so I can shine it on here? Let's see here. Shake something. Here we have the headlamp. Here you can see a start button, Bluetooth button, play pause, lower and make it have more volume, and then the live sound mode. I have no clue what that is, but that's something. And it's supposed to have an extra bass mode in the app, I believe. Okay. This is not a bad size at all. Is it longer? It's actually really... It's really wide, but it's not that big. It's very dense for what it is, actually. And it weighs nearly 3 kilograms, which is a ton. Let's see if we can see the speakers inside. Here you can see them a little bit. They're white. See them reflecting there. The tweeters as well. Sides. Really nice. And then the passive radiators as well. Look pretty good with the Sony logo and all. And then just at the back, I guess we'll take a look. Yeah, that is actually quite heavy. I think you can manage it with one hand if you have the strength, but it's definitely a little bit of a workout for me at least. Okay, here we have battery. I think battery. If you press this button and a voice says the battery percentage, I believe. Party, you pair up more. Then I have no clue what the ST button is or stands for, I guess. I have no clue. And then the USB-C. You can only use this for charging, not there. That is not an output. Then my favorite, an aux, and then a USB-A. Very cool. As we can see here, we can see the voltages that the speaker takes as well. Please focus. Yeah. Input 5 volt 3 amp, which is 15 watts charging, I guess. And then output is 5 volt 1 amp. Okay, interesting. EU importer Europe. Interesting. Serial number and all that good stuff. That's not all. I like this flap actually. It's really nice. It's like this thing here that's attached with it. It's like goes into the speaker when you push it in there. Really nice. Oh, but it's heavy. Oh, heavy. Manual. Guess quick start guide or something. Warranty probably. Bought the wall adapter. Holy shit, you get a lot of these. Maybe I got too many actually. One more. Maybe it's for different languages. No clue. Another one. And something. I don't know. UK something. Okay, so let's get into this. Really nice. I like that it's this color, I guess. Not white or anything, just a nice brownish or cardboard box. Okay, here we have a standard European adapter, and here is the UK, and here is the entire part. Damn, this is light. I mean the JBL one is for the Extreme 3 is much heavier than this. Holy shit, this light. But maybe this doesn't support as high wattage as the JBL does. I don't know. And I shall be honest, I don't mind if it's lower. I don't. think it's, if it charges on the night, I think many people will be good with it. I mean, of course, faster charging is better, but that also might decrease the battery life, or how long the battery will hold up in the speaker itself. Nice fabric mesh. Not as fine as the JBL, I guess. We can pick it down. Yeah, the JBL, I mean, it's longer, but the JBL is taller. Maybe you can see that, but it's also, yeah, I don't know. You can see them there. Wider, taller, blah, 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 blah. So that is that. Now I want to unpack the second one, just because, I mean, a double unboxing, why not? I mean, let's go for it. And I will only unbox the speaker. And this was the speaker I checked on, so it won't be like, yeah, as you can see, covered up that nicely. It's just wanted to check that it was okay. So there we are with that piece of work, piece of chunky meat. And then of course the charger and whatnot. So I have so many chargers, a little bit too many. Yeah, can't really do anything about it. I don't want this speaker in focus. I'm not supposed to. And now I want to turn, I mean, why not turn both on simultaneously? See here, power button. Hopefully. Yay. Okay, sorry for that. They actually popped up to my screen on my phone, main phone. So they actually stopped the video recording. But they look pretty nice. Pretty actually bright lights. And I can even see it in a lit room. And I can just imagine how cool they will be when you're like, they're dark outside or inside. But here we can see them pop up on my phone, on my cheap Galaxy. I see which one do I connect to. No, I'm gonna play just one song, just one simple song, and then I will
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, this one. Good. See here. I have no clue how high or loud it will play. Hopefully not too loud. Starting Spotify. Oh, it was actually quite loud. I have no clue how loud this will play. And this is without any EQ settings. So, of course, that is something to consider. Okay, Fearless. Yeah, that's a good song. We could play that. There we have it. Let's get some louder volumes. I can hear a lot of upper bass. Let's actually turn off the lights. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. My camera doesn't do this justice at all, just want to say that. You can't see that. Let's see here. Yeah, and that was it. I feel like for the sound test, or the little sound test, a little sneak peek that you got. And yeah, that sounds pretty good. And the lights are actually, yeah, they're nice. They're nice. What more can I say? It's supposed to have really good latency as well on Android phones, and has LDAC or whatever it's called, higher codec, I guess, Bluetooth streaming, if you have an Android iPhone, and and an iPhone, I feel like. I don't remember, but it doesn't have aptX, but it LDAC and AAC or something it's called. I don't remember, but and as well as SBC, but you don't use that if you don't need. Yeah, so yeah, it's what I wanted. It's actually what I wanted for this price, and I feel like this speaker goes around pretty cheap. And I could choose either two Charge 5s or two XB-43s. And I was going back and forth because I wanted to invest more in the party boost system thingy. But in the end, that's not worth it. That just isn't worth this. Yeah, you get a totally different package. But of course, you might consider the one or the other, depending on what need you have, portability and whatnot. But yeah, that's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.